Attention all cricket fans. Let's talk about the incredible talent that is Eshan Malinga. This young cricketer has been making waves in the sport and is quickly becoming a force to be reckoned with. Eshan's batting skills are simply phenomenal, and his ability to score runs under pressure is truly impressive. Not to mention his exceptional fielding, which has earned him a reputation as one of the best in the game. But it's not just his on-field performance that sets Eshan apart. His dedication and work ethic are second to none. He puts in the hard yards during training and is always looking for ways to improve his game. It's this commitment that has seen him rise through the ranks and become a key player for his team. Off the field, Eshan is a humble and down-to-earth individual, which has earned him the respect and admiration of his peers and fans alike. His sportsmanship and positive attitude make him a great role model for aspiring cricketers. As Eshan continues to make his mark in the cricketing world, there's no doubt that we'll be seeing even greater things from him in the future. So keep an eye out for this rising star, because Eshan Malinga is definitely someone to watch out for in the world of cricket.